Hi. So this is the question given in 2019 CSIT, okay, from DLD subject, that is Digital Logic Design. So in this question, he given that 16 address lines for a memory design, and he given that one chip here. So this chip, when it is going to enable actually. So that means for what inputs this chip is going to enable. So that means CS when it is going to enable. So those inputs range we have to tell here. Okay. So to get the answer, first of all let us try to understand at this chip. Okay. So in the chip he given that. So this chip is going to have 5 inputs. Okay. So these are the 5 inputs. See, first of all, this is what actually, this is AND gate, is it or not? Okay. So this is AND gate means when it is going to give output as 1, that means enabling means, what is meaning of enable? It should give output 1. So when it will give output, if all inputs are 1, if all inputs are high, then it is going to give output as high, that means 1. So that means if all inputs are 1, then it will give output 1. So when you are going to have all inputs are 1, A15 must be 1, A14 must be 1. Now if you come here, A13, here this is the NOT gate, right? So NOT gate output we are giving as a input to the AND gate, is it or not? So that means here you must have get 1, that means a NOT gate output must be 1, that means before it must be 0, right? If you pass 0, NOT gate will give output 1. That means actually A13 is 0, so that the output will become 1, so that is the input to the AND gate. Okay, this line. Now what about the A12? A12 also same scenario, right? To get here output 1, here it must be 0, that means A12 is 0. Now A11 don't have any NOT gate, so its input is 1. Okay, so these 5 address lines is fixed actually. A15 is 1, A14 is 1, A13 is 0, A12 is 0, A11 is 0. So if you note down in the address lines, okay, A15 is 1, that is fixed. Okay, after that A14 is 1, A13 is actually 0, A12 is 0, and then A11 is 1. Is it or not? So these are the 5 inputs for these address lines, okay, that is fixed from the given chip select. Okay. Now what about the remaining address lines? Remaining address lines they didn't mention means they may be anything. So that means either 0 or 1. So here total 11 address lines are there. These 11 address lines may have any combination. So that means every line is going to have either 0 or 1. So these things may be either 0 or 1, that means don't care, either 0 or 1. Okay, these 5 lines are fixed and these 11 lines are not fixed, that may be anything. That means if you try to collect all possible combinations, what is the first combination? That is what, all zeros, right? All zeros. Then next one is 0 0 0 1. So like this, what are the last 2 combinations? If you take 1 1 1 1 0, then last one is 1. So these are the possible combinations which will enable this chip, that means CS is going to get 1. But these 5 lines are fixed, that means this one, this fixed part you have to add to everyone here. So like here 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1, so everywhere it is fixed. Okay. Now so that is what he is asking. This is the range, right, first of all. So this range only he is asking. What is the starting address and what is the ending address? In between every address is going to enable this chip. Okay. So now here what is this combination? So this is equal to what? He given in hexadecimal format. So try to convert this one in hexadecimal format. Okay. So here what it will become? These 4 will become 1 and this 4 will become 1. So like that, if you consider what we are going to have. So here this is what? C. So this is C, and then this is what actually? This is equivalent to hexadecimal number is 8. So C8 0 0. So 0 0. And then this one is what? This is C 8, this 4, 8, then 0 1 actually. Okay. So like this, if you come here, what is this one? This is fixed, right? C. And this one is what? 4 ones. 4 ones meaning is F15. Then next 4 ones F15. Then this is what? 14, right? So 14 means E. And then next one is C. Then next 4 ones F. Then next 4 ones F. And then next 4 ones F. So this is what the range which is going to enable this chip, right? So in this, what is the first number? C800. What is the last one? CFFF. So which one is satisfying here? Option B is given range. Okay. So in this way we can find out easily actually. Okay. So here only thing is for which inputs this chip is going to enable, that part is going to become fixed part. Then whatever address lines is not mentioned in the question, those address lines meaning is that any input possible. That means either 0 or 1. So with 0 and 1, try to take all possible combinations and add fixed part for every combination. Then that we are converting into hexadecimal format. So that we are going to get the range. So that is what first number and last number here we are mentioning. Okay. So answer for this question is option B, C8002 CFFF. Okay.